Hi everyone, this is Teacher Ryan, and today we're going to talk about vowel omission. So, in some very common English words, you might be mispronouncing them because Americans delete the vowel. So, if you want to research more about this topic, the official name in linguistics is syncope. Okay, so you can Google syncope. You could also Google vowel omission. Okay, so here's the rule. Unstressed vowels next to a stressed syllable are sometimes deleted. So if you look at these words, they're very common English words. My favorites. So we'll start here with family, family. Now, some people may say family, family, but most Americans will say family, family, okay? And this will be deleted, family, okay? Every, not every, every. We're going to say every, okay? This one, basically. Okay, some Americans might say basically, but for the most part, we say basically. Okay? Now my favorite, chocolate. We don't usually say chocolate. Okay? So we kind of delete this O. We just say chocolate. Okay, and then this one, probably the most common one that I hear different, even with Americans. Okay? Interesting. Okay, or interesting. So most of my students, when they read this word, they'll say interesting. And I'll say, now some Americans will say interesting. Okay, another really common one, different. Not different, different. Okay, beverage. Not beverage. Okay? And then this one is very interesting because if you're British, you say this word in a completely different way. If you're British, you say laboratory. But if you're American, you say laboratory. And if you want to make everything easier, just say lab. Okay? Lab is short for laboratory. Okay? And then another really common word, favorite. Not favorite, favorite. Okay, so you can see that sometimes the unstressed vowels in the middle are getting deleted, and maybe you think it's a 3-syllable word, like chocolate, turns into a 2-syllable word, chocolate. Okay, so if you want more information, you can Google this, or you can ask me a question and just type in the comments below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Okay, everyone, good luck. Bye-bye.